Hey y'all, I am turning 64 this week. It's LSU's first home game, so we love to support our LSU college team, but there's a lot of Tigers around the country I know that love Tigers, so you're getting this cute little cosmetic bag, a sparkly, a beautiful detailed tiger. You're going to get your LOL eye serum in it. It's a perfecting complex that has mica, which refracts light where your lines and wrinkles don't show up as much. It's also got two great peptides. One's chromoline for puffiness, dark circles. It just helps to depuff the eyes. Twice a day you can use this, or if you use your eye roller in the morning, use this in the evening. Your LOL, you're getting that in there free. Your bronze touch of the tropics, great for blush, for your eyes, your chest. It smells like the tropics. You're going to be getting this included in there. The gold, which our school colors are gold and purple, so the gold shimmer eyeshadow is beautiful. I'm going to show you how to use it, where to apply it, cheeks, lips, eyes. And Purple Haze, a powder eyeliner that makes your eyes just pop. However, you can use it as the contour along with the eyeliner. You're gonna love this powder eyeliner. It is beautiful. So you're getting all of that in this cute cosmetic bag, absolutely free for my birthday. Birthday 64 is the coupon code with any $64 order. So thank you so much for being big guys and girls, and go Tigers. Bye. Hey there, Jody's going to show you how to use the Purple Haze as a powder eyeliner and a contour on the eyes. Use the gold shimmer on the lid, and then you'll be able to use it a little bit in the corners of the eye. You can use it along the cheekbone and also on top of your nude lip stay. Apply a couple of coats of your Drama Queen mascara to make your eyes pop, and come back over with a little more gold shimmer. Just lay it in the corner of the eye and go one more time with your Purple Haze to make your eyes be real dramatic in the contour, and one more time on the eyeliner. So your eyes are just gonna pop for that game. On game day, you'll be looking beautiful. Go Tigers!